Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Anbieten. Do you want to learn all the German vocabulary? Do you want to finally learn how to speak? Are you worried how to learn all the rules? In today's lesson, I'm offering you a handy verb used to offer things. Anbieten. Anbieten. IE is always pronounced like a long, slow E. Anbieten is a separable verb, meaning to offer or provide. Was darf ich Ihnen anbieten? What can I offer you? Maybe you heard from a host or at the restaurant. Der Gastgeber bot den Gästen etwas zu trinken und zu essen an. The host offered the guests something to drink and something to eat. Darf ich Ihnen ein Glas Wein anbieten? Can I offer you a glass of wine? Wir bieten unsere Hilfe an. We are offering our help. Das Goethe-Institut bietet Kurse für Anfänger an. The Goethe Institute provides courses for beginners. Etwas zum Verkauf anbieten. To offer something for sale. Or maybe even, wie viel Geld bieten Sie an? How much money are you offering? And here is the whole conjugation of the verb anbieten, for those of you interested. Ich biete an. Du bietest an. Er bietet an. Wir bieten an. Ihr bietet an. And Sie bieten an. For example, Sie bieten uns ein Getränk an. They offer us a drink. And the past forms hat angeboten, offered. Sie haben uns ein Getränk angeboten. They offered us a drink. Bot an. Sie boten uns ein Getränk an. They offered us a drink. And the future form, werden anbieten. Sie werden uns ein Getränk anbieten. They will offer us a drink. In today's lesson, we learned the verb anbieten, meaning to offer something to someone. And now it's time for a quick exercise or Übung. Put the verb anbieten in the sentences and don't forget to separate it. Write your answers in the comments and win a free beginner German course. Check the answers to these exercises and also find out if you won your free beginner German course in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!